Hello guys, good day. So I just bought the Xiaomi Mi A1 phone here last week via Amazon, and I was about to return this phone because I was very disappointed with the audio jack in the phone. Okay, here, because for the past week I was using this like this. I was using the audio jack like this, and every time I will move the cord, it will disconnect the call or it will stop the YouTube video, and I thought it's loosened or it's defective. And there are lots of comments at Amazon that the audio jack is loosened. So what I did is I tried to push the audio jack inside the phone, but still it doesn't work. But what you need to do is to push a little bit more or a little bit harder until you can hear a ticking sound. Okay? Here. Okay. That's it. That's the ticking sound. So the ticking sound tells you that the headphone jack is already secured and you can use the phone, the headphone jack. You move it round, sideways, it will work. That's the solution. So actually I feel dumb knowing this just yesterday. And thank you for viewing my video. Have a good day.